Hello, Cody here with 3D Infotech, and today I'll show you how to subsample point clouds. In my project, I have a scan of a car door. Looking at the properties, there are over 31 million points that compose the point cloud. It may be preferable to have less points in the point cloud to speed up processing the inspection. In that case, the scan can be subsampled. To do this, click on the Data Objects tool to the left of Alignments and click the left middle button. Subsampling can be done to a selection of data points or an entire data object. Three types of subsampling are available: random, uniform, and curvature-based. Using random, the user inputs the percentage to subsample the scan by, and the scan is reduced by a random selection of data points. Using uniform, the user inputs a step between data points, and the scan is reduced such that each element is separated by the step distance input. I'll demonstrate uniform subsampling with a step of 0.25 millimeters, since those are our working units. If I focus on this bottom edge, we can see the point spacing become more uniform. Using curvature-based, the user inputs the percentage to subsample the scan by, and the scan is reduced with an emphasis on preserving data in areas with high curvature. I'll demonstrate this curvature-based subsampling using 50%. Once the scan is subsampled, the scan will show greater point density at the edges of these holes compared to the flat surface around them. Here again, we can see greater point density in these areas of high curvature, such as the edge of this hole. If we go back to the properties of the scan, we can see that the number of points has been greatly reduced. Thank you for watching.